welcome back to the channel. Today I got door speakers to put in my truck, and nothing crazy. I just want a little bit better audio. There's kickers, so I'm gonna head home and go rip the doors off and put the new speakers in. Hopefully they sound good. All right, here's what we got. I'm gonna take the door cards off and throw them in. $5 to get the speaker off. All right, so I gotta cut this pigtail off, or connector off, and splice it into this. And from what I looked up, the purple striped one is the positive and yellow is negative, so I'm gonna get to that. So this one's in. It is the thing on the back, the magnet thing, is hitting the door support. So I tightened it down. I'm gonna start it up and hope it sounds good still. But it shouldn't be a problem. But I couldn't get these to go all the way flush, but it's tight and isn't moving at all. So I'm gonna test it before I throw the door card back on. All right, it works just fine. So I'm gonna throw the door card back on this side and then get to the passenger side. Green and purple is positive, and green and yellow is negative. So both speakers are in. It's definitely a lot more clear of a sound, so that's good. And if you want to get these, I have a 2014 Ram 2500, and these are Kicker CSC 693. So hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one.